What's up, guys? I want to show you my motorcycle dolly that I got for my 2016 Indian Scout 60. So I have a 2-car garage with 2 cars, and I have my Indian Scout 60, and I want to fit it into that area right there. The problem is fitting it in there isn't very easy, so I bought this dolly so I can move it around. And I think I got this at Harbor Freight. Pittsburgh 1250 pound capacity, low profile motorcycle dolly. It works good, but there's a few issues with it. When you try to put the bike on, it moves a little bit. I don't want the kickstand to scratch it up, so I just put a piece of cardboard right here. What I have to do, you're supposed to put this down like this so it doesn't move, but it does move. And put these little rubber grips. They're okay, but they don't work great. So what I have to do is take this old floor mat and I put it right there, and then I put this down. Now the problem is if I put this down, this moves. See how that comes back up? When this goes down, now that goes up. Both of them are supposed to be down. So you got to kind of lift it up a little bit. So now they're both down. So next, I'm going to ride my bike up on it so you can see what it looks like. Put my cover on, done. Fits perfect.